never, hardly ever, rarely, seldom, occasionally, sometimes, often, frequently, generally, usually, always, brave, bold, weak, feeble, wrong, mistaken, necessary, essential, boring, tedious, support, advocate, stop, suspend, empty, desolate, harmful, detrimental. I feel sad. I feel blue. My mistake. My bad. I'll pay the bill. It's on me. I made a mistake. I screwed up. I understand you. I feel you. I have no money. I'm broke. I like you. I'm into you. I'm very tired. I'm beat. Text me. Hit me up. Go to bed. Hit the hay.
Let's hit the hay.
Hit the hay? I'm not tired.
Be patient. Hold your horses.
Hold your horses.
Hold your horses.
Reveal a secret. Spill the beans.
Spill the beans.
What's going on? Spill the beans.
Get to the point. Cut to the chase.
Cut to the chase, Sheldon.
I'll cut to the chase.
Die. Kick the bucket.
And I'll have kick the bucket.
Kick the bucket.
By the farm.
In a risky situation. On thin ice.
You're on thin ice.
You're on thin ice. Listen to me.
Make a mistake. Drop the ball.
Drop the ball. Prosecutor dropped the ball.
Improvise. Play it by ear.
Okay, we'll play it by ear.
You're right. Let's play it by ear.
Ignore. Turn a blind eye.
I should turn a blind eye towards the
Crying before turning a blind eye to assassination.
Work late. Burn the midnight oil.
Burning the midnight oil.
Burning the midnight oil, Mr. Hamada?